Because I've grown a massively successful potato crop, my house is no doubt going to become a target for thieves desperate for spuds. As a result, I've decided to beef up security. This is my current doorbell. Rubbish, isn't it? But don't worry, because today I'm replacing it with a futuristic mega doorbell. Now, I'm rubbish at doing manly things, but Ring, the company that make Futuristic Mega Doorbell, seem pretty confident that anyone can do it. In fact, they include a tiny screwdriver, a drill bit, and a mini spirit level in the pack with it. So today, I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to fit a doorbell. So first things first, we've got to remove the old rubbish doorbell. The old doorbell looks like a sad face now. Aww. Great news, removed the doorbell. I only stabbed myself in the finger with a wire once, so minor injuries, we're on track. To give you an idea of how little DIY I do, I've had this drill for 3 years, and I've never had to charge the battery. Okay, I've made the holes, I've put the yellow things in, they sort of line up. Now I'm going to see if I can attach this to the yellow hole things with these, I think they're called screws. Now this might not look very straight, I think it's the house that's a funny angle and not this. See, that's close enough. Okay, so maybe it's a bit wonky, but there's absolutely no way I'm doing it again. So there we go, doorbell installed like a real adult human being. Well done, me. Hello? Can I come in? I'm the only one who's got it on my phone. I'm a bit tired today because last night Kitty and I went to see Little Mix, and it turns out Little Mix are amazing. No time to be tired though, because I've dug up all the potatoes and I'm just thinking, maybe, just maybe, I can fit in another crop. I'm going to go and get some seeds for late season carrots. Carrots in the ground. It's a bit of a speculative crop this. I'm not sure whether it'll grow in time, but hey, you only live once, don't you? Got to give it a shot. Hey, come quick, I found a frog. Now that the potatoes have gone, we need new content for the vlog. As a result, we've bought some sea monkeys. Kitty, you may open the sea monkeys. I had sea monkeys as a kid and absolutely loved it. My friend Gavin and I used to have them. We even went to Butlins with them once. It was magnificent. So what have you found in there, kids? So for those who don't know sea monkeys, they're a small kind of shrimp, and you get them in a little dried powder and make them. They're a tiny little pet. They're quite good fun. How excited are you about the sea monkeys, children?
Really?
Otto?
Yeah.
You can't buy that. Amazing. Now, you're not going to see a lot of sea monkey action today because we have to purify the water first. But next week, you're going to get an update on how our sea monkeys are coming along. First stage, kids, we to pour water into this. Who's going to do that? You get one job each.
Me. It gets a bit messy.
It does a bit. How good are your numbers, Otto? Which one says number 1? Yeah, very good. Okay, so I'm going to open it for you. You're going to tip it in. This is the water purifier, and this makes the water good so that the sea monkey eggs survive when we put them in. Okay? Everyone happy?
I am doing the sea monkeys.
Well, you're putting in the purifier now because you do the sea monkey eggs tomorrow.
Oh.
Yes, Otto, brilliant. Well done.
Sea monkeys.
That's the water purifier. Now, Kitty, you need to use the stirring device to prepare the sea monkey water. Okay, give Otto a stir now.
Otto, you stir it. Stir it. Not fast.
Doing a very good job there, Otto. Okay, we don't spill our sea monkey water. If you want to join in at home, you can get your own sea monkeys. I'll put a link down underneath. I just bought them off of Amazon, about 10 I think it was. And then we can all grow sea monkeys together and we can have a little competition, see who has the most impressive fleet of sea monkeys. So, something to do in it. Pass the time till the potato season. Otto, do you want to put the lid on?
Good work.
And tomorrow, we add the sea monkey eggs.
Be number 3 on the second number 3.
You want to show number 3?
No, we were doing number 2 because that's what we're doing next.
Thank you, Ots.
Are you going to edit it?
Yeah, I edited it.
Number 1. Take out number 3. Number 1.
Take him out.
No, take out number 3. Number 100. Because that's not what we're doing next.
No, okay, we'll edit Otto out. New doorbell, carrot seeds in the ground, and sea monkeys on the go. What a mental week. I will not be forgetting this for a while, I can tell you. We're at the end of the potato time. As we close that chapter and move on to a new stage in the vlog, let's just have a little memory of what we had in the potatoes with a nice slideshow of how you lucky competition winners have been looking after your spuds at home. Thanks. Hit subscribe or like, whatever they are down there.